So I have this MKV video recorded in OBS Studio, but I get the import failure error when I import it in Premiere Pro. In this video, we'll see 3 ways to fix it. The first and quickest that others have covered is changing the file extension to AVI. Go to the folder where the file is saved and click the View tab on the top. Hover over Show and check this File Name Extensions option. You'll see MKV in the end. Right click on the file and click Rename. On Windows 11, Rename is in the Show More Options menu. Then remove MKV and insert AVI. Click Yes if a warning message displays. Then import the file. The problem is that it did not work in my case, so I tried the alternate methods. Change the extension back to MKV. The second method involves a quick conversion process. If you are a video editor, you most likely have VLC Media Player installed. If you don't, install it for free and open it. Click Media on the top and then the Convert/Save button. Click this Add button and select the video file. Hit the Convert/Save button one more time. Here you can choose the video quality and format. I'll leave it to the default H.264 plus MP3 combination, which will save the video as MP4. Click the Browse button and select the destination to save the video. Also, rename the video before saving it. Click Save and click this Start button. You'll see the progress. Once done, your MP4 video is ready to be edited. Import it to see if it worked. If you don't have VLC, there is another program that is built into Windows. The new Clipchamp is pre-installed on Windows 11. Right click on the file and hover over Open With. Then choose this program. Here you don't have to do anything. Just hit this Export button and choose the video quality. Wait a few minutes and your exported video will be saved. Import this video to Premiere Pro and enjoy editing. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please let me know which method worked and if you need any help. I'll catch you later. Take care.